Good morning, class. Today I will start a new poem, Amanda. The central idea of the poem. The poem Amanda has been composed by Robin Klein. Robin Klein, she is a poetess. In this poem, the poetess describes a girl named Amanda. In this poem, the poetess is describing a girl. The girl is a little girl. Her name is Amanda. Poetess is scolding and instructing her. What is poetess doing? The poetess is scolding Amanda and instructing her. She asks her neither to bite her nails and nor to drop her shoulders, but to sit straight. Amanda has some bad habits that she always keep on biting her nails. She always sit dropping her shoulders. She did not sit straight. So her poetess is scolding her by saying, poetess means here her mother. Her mother is just scolding her by saying that he never bite her nails, nor to drop her shoulders while sitting, and but to sit straight. On the other hand, the girl imagines that she is mermaid. Mermaid is water fairy. And when her mother is instructing or scolding her to do some good things, Amanda does not listen the instructions of her mother, but she lost in her imagination. First time she imagines herself as a mermaid. Mermaid means a water fairy. In the calm green sea, she is roaming in it. She imagines that she is a mermaid and she is moving all alone in the calm green sea very happily. Then the poetess asks her if she has finished her homework and cleaned her room. She asks her not to eat chocolates as she is having pimples on her face. Now her mother means here poetess. The poetess is scolding her, saying her to finish her homework on time, to clean her room on time, and she asks her not to eat chocolates. She is having pimples on her face. But Amanda is not listening the instructions of her mother. And this time again she lost in imagination. Then the girl imagines that she is an orphan and roaming in the street on the soft dust. And when her mother is instructing these things, so she imagines herself as an orphan. Orphan means anath bachchi. And she also imagines that she is walking in the street, roaming in the street on the soft dust. She imagines that she is Rapunzel. Who is Rapunzel? Rapunzel is a fairy who lives alone in the top of the tower. And the poetess advises her not to remain worried. Otherwise, people will think that she has been scolded by the poetess or by the mother. Poetess is the mother of girl. Thus, we find that she gives a number of advice to the girl, Amanda. But Amanda does not listen. She always loses in her imagination. This is the central idea of the poem, Amanda. Now, theme of the poem. In this poem, the poetess is describing a girl whose name is Amanda. She scolds her for her bad habits and instructs her to sit properly. The girl imagines herself as a mermaid. The poetess forbids her to eat chocolates. At last, she advises the girl not to be worried and unhappy. But the girl does not listen the instructions of her mother, but she always loses in her imagination when her mother or poetess is scolding or instructing her.